Marble, the most popular natural stone in the world. And I'm going to show you how to polish it with no chemicals, just pure diamonds. Man's best friend. This is here in beautiful downtown Miami by Biscayne Boulevard. This is a crema marfil, which is a common marble, very popular. So the tenant here is moving out and we're gonna prepare the floor for the new tenant. You see how the floor is a little dull. It's a little dull from regular wear and tear. So we're gonna get it to that beautiful, nice high shine using my 6-step systems, but we're only gonna use step number 2 to 6. Here I already did step number 2. I sped things up a little bit so you don't get bored. So I did step number 2 on the whole entire apartment. I just noticed that I did in the center and I didn't do the edges towards the wall because the scratch pattern doesn't go all the way up to the wall. So the worst area is towards the center. And as we go up in diamond, then we'll gradually move closer to the wall. So now I'm gonna do step number 3 on the rest of the floor, and I'm gonna fade it out a little bit. Now here in like these 4 tiles, I'm doing step number 4 because I already did step number 3 on the whole apartment. Now I'm just gonna do step number 4 just in this area so you can see how much more of a shine it gets. So remember, on the outside is step number 3, and then these few tiles is step number 4. So now I'm gonna finish up the rest of the apartment with step number 4 and then do a little sample again with step number 5. The whole apartment has step number 4. It has like a, I guess like a semi-gloss, but of course we're looking for a high shine, so we're gonna go to the next step. So here in these 4 tiles, I did step number 5. So on the outside, it has step number 4, and then these 4 tiles in the middle or in the front by the window, it has step number 5. So like that, the floor is beautiful. It has a high shine and everything. So I'm just gonna finish up step number 5 on the rest of the floor. I didn't use step number 6 because it wasn't necessary. You can't achieve a higher shine than what we got here, so there's no point on going to number 6. So we did 2, 3, 4, 5. So we only did 4 diamond steps, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the result that we got without using chemicals like polishing powder or crystallizer. The common procedure for polishing marble would be the diamonds, 5X polishing powder, and then after that crystallizer. In some cases you have to use the 5X and crystallizer, but in this case I didn't have to. When the customer came in, he was like, "This floor is beautiful." I said, "Yeah, I know. Before and after. Look on the left. The left is before and the right is after." Ay, ay, ay. Obviously, you know I got paid and I got a tip. Hello everyone, my name is Anthony James. If you'd like to buy my products, please send me an email to anthony@ajstonelife.com or give me a call, 786-308-0241. See you next time.